All right, so let's make some improvements to our application. One of the first things that I want to do, to be honest with you, is change the name of the table that we have. Not um, the table column cars, all right, in the database. So I'm going to go to phpMyAdmin and right here, oops, I don't even know why my computer, all right. So that's just because I got a huge monitor in my right hand side and left hand side. That's why my window is huge. But anyway, I want to change this column name. It's I think it's not descriptive. This should be like title or something like that. All right, so I'm gonna go to a structure and right here, structure, and then change, and we're gonna change that to title. There we go. Save. All right, and you need to change it everywhere you have PHP, of course. So let's go to display cars, and right here, instead of that, it should be title. Save it. Right, let's see if it works. Refresh. All right, there we go. So it's working. All right, perfect. So we fixed that. Now let's go, and I want to make this field required. I don't want users or myself to be able to add cars unless I put something in there. So because right now, if we try to add a car, it would, without putting anything, it would send an empty space to the database. I don't want that, right? So let's do it the easier way without using PHP. Let's use some HTML5. So let's go to index.html, and what is that field? Add a car. We've got to find that input. Add car right here. All right, let's add something called required. Oops, and save it. I think this is the input right here. Let's we should actually also put a label here on this input, so that way we know. All right, so let's add a label here real quick. Label for car name. Car name, and then add a car, something like that. All right, save. Let's check it out real quick. Refresh. All right, it says add a car, and I need to make this 500 milliseconds because I think I got it where it sends every 3 seconds a request. Yep, so I'm gonna make it 500. Save it. Come back here, refresh. There we go. So add a car, and now we try to send it like this without writing anything. It would give us this here, so we can't do it. All right, so we kill like 2 birds in one shot, right? Actually 3, because we put a label, we require this, and we change the database column name to title. All right, so we're making good improvements, and on the next lecture we'll continue doing so. All right, hopefully I will make some more lectures to keep adding functionality to our little application, so that way you can learn a little more. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lecture.